before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn notifications, give us a huge thumbs up. Today, me and my uncle Ollie are going to make a
shop. Okay, this could be a long video.
And
we are unboxing our shop.
And my uncle has been really silly by untaping it, even when he was weren't looking.
What did he do? He was trying to open the box. Yeah, he doesn't understand we do all this on video.
So
he didn't grow up in the era where we put everything on YouTube. Okay, let's get going then, Mouse.
See.
Right, now let him slice it now, okay?
There's tape.
It's stuck.
No, there's glue actually. There's glue.
Mind your finger.
There's glue.
Do you want to turn around so everyone sees your face instead of your back of your head? That's it, yeah. Are we in? There could be a ghost in it.
Yeah.
Yoo-hoo, we're in.
And there's glue.
Ew.
Get out.
What are you going to do?
Do you want to put it on the floor?
What we're going to do.
Yeah, put it on the floor.
Yay.
Now, there we go.
Now let's see what we have. Now slowly and lay everything on the table.
I am.
That's your trolley.
I know. Oh, that's your basket for your trolley.
Okay. This is why Mammy didn't want to do this, because
And there's
that's your shelf.
two
Two shelves.
shoe shelves.
Shoe shelves? Shoe shelves.
3 shells.
3 shelves.
No, that's not a shelf. That's your yoke.
That's another. That's the base for your trolley, I think. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh no, that's the side. Oh, that's so cool!
Trolley.
And look what we have here.
Jingly bits. And 16 pages of A4 instructions.
And
And something that you just lose.
Oh, and look.
Oh, look at your frog. Come over and show everyone what we've got.
I have some stuff. I have an apple,
That's
an orange,
yeah.
a lemon. That's milk.
Yeah.
And
That's a cucumber. The one you weren't sure of. Miss Kyo gave you them in school, didn't she? That's an apple, no?
No, that's not an apple.
Oh, it's not a red apple. I don't know what it is.
It doesn't
Okay,
matter what it is.
we'll ask the YouTubers. What is the red thing?
And here's a carrot, a lemon, and an orange. And go back to start.
Okay.
And I have some more bits and bobs I can put on it.
And this is where the instructions.
I know what these are for.
Why did you put together there?
Give it that. I know what that is for.
They're for the watchcast. They're the last thing we'll do. They're your milk and your cornflakes.
I know.
We're a long way from them.
I know.
Hold them up. Okay. What else have we got?
Milk
Mm-hmm.
and some milk. Do this one.
And cookie. Yeah, have it upside down. Cookies.
Uh-huh.
Cookie.
And some fruits.
Okay, and Ollie's getting into the instructions.
Which is quite hard to get into. Yeah. When I take my horse to the road I know, I'm gonna ride. I can't come home more. And the horse in the bed. Take my horse to the road I know, I'm gonna ride.
The face of
Guys.
concentration.
I'm going to have a guessing game for you.
I don't usually have help in my videos. This is great.
I'll see if I have it tomorrow.
What?
I had a guessing game for you. Oh, cool. I got coins.
Twins?
Money. Now
You have so many toys, you know that?
If you can guess what has a horn in any of my toys behind you, if you see any of them that has a horn, they can be anywhere around here. If you see the ones that have a horn, you can see any of my videos whenever you want just type in my name and you'll find it out.
What's your name?
Theresa! Sinnott! I have to ask Sinnott name for it. I don't know if my mom did put Sinnott in it. I don't think my mom put Sinnott in it. Remember my hands for my trolley.
That's what I thought that, alright.
I want to try help. See if I can put the trolley together.
Yeah.
I want to try. I can take these apart.
Don't break. Are you meant to break them?
Look.
You sure?
Look. Oh gosh. See?
I'm not getting involved with this.
No, I know it's that.
I'm on camera duty.
I don't care. I want to see.
I wouldn't say it's that complicated.
You're a gift. Why don't you make it then?
Because I'm not technically minded.
Don't lose anything.
Do you like my nails?
Camera.
I haven't got them in the camera.
Good.
Hey, get them out of my
Well,
way.
you could ask everybody would they like to see them in the camera.
But I don't want them to have.
Oh, thanks.
They're sure.
Put them over there now, please. You're going to lose them. Did you look at any of the instructions, Oliver? Teresa, will you pass them over the instruction book at least?
I have it there beside me.
I don't think you have.
Beep, beep,
Where do I need the knife?
I'd say you're sitting on it.
Oh no, it's here.
And guys, you know that guessing game I told you?
Yeah.
If it doesn't, it can be something.
Bang.
It can be something else either. It doesn't actually have to be something behind the background. It can be anything at all that you think it is. So, if you know, click the subscribe button. Tell me down below. Or tell me what elbow. What are you doing?
He's taking off the plastic clothes.
No. I thought he was going to quit his chest actually. I'm going to take my... I'm going to actually think I can put this half together.
I'll just
Now sit up beside Ollie Mouse.
Okay.
And try not to sit on the knife.
I'm not going to sit anywhere. I'm going to sit on the floor.
No screws, no.
There is some screw. No, wait.
Right, I'm going to pause this for 1 minute, Mouse, okay?
I'm just trying to help him.
Hmm?
I see.
Right.
No, that's backwards.
I think that comes off of that, Alan.
Now, so would you like the photographer to enter the video?
Yes.
Really, really?
Yes, my mom is coming in now, guys.
Because, why is she coming in? Because she bought the weed trolley.
That's where I get lazy.
No, because I'll never get you. I'll never get lazy.
What's up, guys? It's Mammy here.
I know you might saw her from
And
the
she's really annoying, yeah, and embarrassing.
I know you might saw her from the snowman one, and that if you saw her hugging me, I was like, no, you're not, no!
Come on, I'm only messing. Would you like me to help, mister?
Oh gosh, I can't do
Right, show me.
I have to cut them off. What did I do with the knife?
You were sitting on him.
that. No. Wheels! I want to put the
Thank
wheels
you.
on.
Right now, these are not. How many have you got, Mouse?
There's 4 pieces.
Is that all?
That's the inside and
1,
outside.
2, 3, 4. And there's 4 wheels.
This is hammers. Have we any screws?
There's a few screws here and
Because they need something to hold on to.
this seems to come off as well.
In there. Right now, come in there. But this was come on.
Oh yeah, she's only... Oh.
Ow.
What happened?
He hit me with a piece of plastic.
Are you okay?
No, I need to go to the hospital.
Mama, thanks.
Mind your fingers now. If you need it done, call your mama. That's for your euro.
Yeah, I know where the euros are.
Yeah, there's 4 screws.
And look.
Can you look? Can I have a look at your screws?
No, there's that.
What's this?
What? That?
This?
This? Remember
Wait,
the
it's there. You'll see it looking on the box.
Mine now.
See the handles, isn't it?
No, it's
yeah,
for your.
you're right.
It's for your wine.
No, look.
Yes, it's for your wine, Oliver.
That's not it.
No, you've done that. This is
Oh,
for
you
your
have that
wine.
piece?
Do you know when Mama brings wine, she puts it underneath? Because wine is so cool.
There is no wine at the
No.
If you run out of fish. Look, she got stuff and she didn't put them in the bottom.
What?
She only put her eggs in the bottom. She went
Okay, get up.
Ah.
I know I always tell you don't sit on the
You
coffee
need some
table.
of them, do you?
Okay.
Keep in the wheels.
I need 4
Yeah.
little lads.
Is he getting...
No.
Right.
They tip it in.
Yeah, 4 wheels and...
Wheel, Mammy.
Wheel, Maz.
I want to put the wheels
Stand up.
on.
Just see. You're going down on that.
No, wait.
Mammy, first one.
Mind that knife out of my nose.
Now I know how to do it.
Next one.
Another wheel. Mammy gift.
Come around so everyone can see, because you've got your back to the camera.
Here you go.
Turn your head.
Yeah. I put on the wheels and
Mine
you
now.
put on the clips.
And I'll sing for you.
No, you...
Oh, the wheels fell off.
No,
Oh,
you hand Mammy the yoke.
I will.
Those don't do that.
Ow, my toe!
Sorry.
Where's your shoes?
You took them!
I never here.
You never did. I'd see that.
I did.
It's fine. Just don't dance
You
on
were
Mama's
giving out
toes.
to me and I took the boss to
I'm going to become an engineer of trolleys. I'm going to become an engineer of trolleys.
I know. I know, guys. She's crazy.
Crazy Mama!
They're in, what do you call it?
Now you need to take them off when you
Oh,
get a
yeah.
chance.
Is that finished?
Baby!
Is it?
That's finished, yes. Because I cuddle my mouth.
Yes, I got my hair.
Sorry.
My hair was sweaty.
Yes,
Sweaty,
oh.
sweaty.
Let me do kisses. Huh?
Okay, what's next?
Should
The wheels
the
on the
blue-
bus.
where's the-
Oh, the black bit's there because I was sitting on the table.
No, is there not big? Do you see these?
Well, that's only... Right. Okay, let's start from the
Have you,
beginning.
yeah, show me them, darling.
We need long lads. There you are,
Oh,
look.
that's not for a minute. No.
I know, I
Show
know.
me that.
Desk.
That's the base, that's the top.
Your clock.
Yeah, hang on there. Slow down now for a minute.
Well, I'm
Where's that piece? Where's
your
that
little
piece?
sign.
That's,
What piece, Ollie?
Yeah, your little sign.
that piece.
That's... This piece. There, she's that the piece you want, Ollie?
What?
That big piece?
That's it, yeah. That's that side there, right? Oh, this.
There, look, this is where they're trying to start with these round lads.
Yeah, there's that go in there.
No, this roundy lad.
Which round lad? No, but you see this here?
That goes into...
You see this
look,
here?
This is where he's having started the book, the way it says. And they're telling me...
I'm just gonna sit down.
Is that go across this way? Look.
Guys,
No,
stop
you
fighting.
seem to be cutting that.
Oh, there. Is
No,
it?
no, look, can you look at this? See the way they're taking this off? And they're putting it in there. In here where I am, look. Somewhere in there. In here, look. In there. Take that asunder. Just look at that once before you do it, will you?
Yeah, but see, that's that piece.
This is for the clock, Ol. Look.
Right, I'm gonna help you here.
That's for the...
I want to be an instructioner. Mommy, give me the map. I'm an
That's for this
instructioner.
side here, darling.
I know that's for there.
What is
What?
that?
Yeah, am I right what I'm saying here, yeah? No, the clock bit. This bit. Now pass me up that book pad.
Which side am I on now? You do that on this, on this.
Right.
Here you go.
So that big lad goes in here and he
Just
clicks
go that way.
I know where the
Or
stick
the other way?
goes.
that way. Isn't that it? Yeah, that way. And it should click.
Yeah.
Now, this is your clock, you see. This is a clock here. Then,
Right.
have you got another round, lad? No, that's fine, that's not needed.
Key?
That's your scanner.
Where is that?
Now, so that's in there. And that's, it should be. Is there another roundy piece, lads?
Hmm?
Is there another roundy piece?
What kind of round is this?
For your clock.
Huh?
Oh.
Have you a screw there, Ollie?
What size of a screw?
Big lad.
Huh?
Big lad. And more of a bolt, I suppose, or whatever you want to call it.
Is that turned the right way now?
Yeah, sure, has to be, your clock has to be out, yeah.
Clock is...
It's out here. Yeah. I'm fairly confident. Any more bolts, no?
Guys, can you not help me from here?
You can't be seen there, Theresa, just so you know.
That one. Mommy, I want to...
There must be something.
Should not to break up his toes.
Well, his toes will be grand. He'll get a new pair before he gets married.
They say he's already after getting married.
He is already after getting married.
I don't know how I know that.
Because he's got an Olivia.
Uh-huh. Why really can you stop breaking them up?
He'll be alright.
She won't be happy until she does.
I'm sick of them. I need a screw, boys. Whatever you are doing.
Where's the trolley?
That's a shelf, Ollie. There's more to be. I need a screw and I don't know where it is.
I'm really silly.
What? Quality control.
Show me, does it give you any colours or anything?
Oh no. Easy to do is throwing everything on the floor.
It's just...
Yeah, I'm going to part of it.
Yeah, look. There's this lad. There's one of them somewhere. There it is. Theresa, black. See the white? Beside the rabbits, yeah. And I need a €2 coin
For...
to tighten it.
A new one?
Give me the shoot weapon.
I have something that I can show you that you might be able to use. Mommy, there's coins in here.
Go, that's it. I'm working on myself. Sit down, they're all looking at your bum now. That's too big.
What do you mean too big?
It's sure what, it's not even, the knob is too big.
It's not big
Yeah,
enough
do
for
you want
me.
to try one of them coins?
That'll be too weak.
I'm sitting on the table.
Now,
Did you get it?
well, it's his finger tight. So there's a €2 coin out in a mini, would you go and get it?
I won't.
Have you got one in your pocket
I'll
yet?
find one somewhere other than going out with a mini.
No. Hello?
Ollie!
Stop it.
Okay, then I thought storm, horse, horrors, hoo hey, ah, he had come.
You're a bully.
Who is? How is he a bully? He turned on the wrong light.
You turned out
Okay, that's too small as well.
First one, this one, and the second one,
Right,
that
that's done.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, sit down there. Sit down behind us all because we're getting there anyway.
Can I put the stuff in
Is that the top or the bottom now?
That's the bottom.
Huh?
This is the way the writing is.
Ah.
That's the way the writing is.
No.
I'm going to instruct.
Can only go in one way, Sharon.
Is that? Yeah.
So, there's a fatter piece at the bottom, so it goes where Mammy has it.
That's there. That's
Yeah.
right. Somewhere. Okay, where's the other black pieces, Mouse? Excellent. We are fabulous. That now. This goes to here.
Oh, wait now.
Oh. What's wrong? Should that have been put in
How
after?
should that be?
Yeah, put
Just-
it. I'd say so.
Oh, well,
Where's
just,
your
no,
50
hold
pence?
on. Just hold it there.
Yeah, I'd say that's supposed to go in after.
Mm.
Teresa. Because you see, not only the back of your face, back of your hair. You're gonna have
Well,
to.
don't pull.
I'm not, but you're gonna have to take it off, sure. That's not going to.
Please.
I'm not doing anything. But you're not gonna. You'd have to take the other one off. There. And into the hole.
Are you in?
Yes, we spin. Spin, spin, spin. Are you happy?
Thank you.
These keys.
I don't know yet, but don't do it.
You would know. Don't lose anything.
Don't throw anything out.
Because you wouldn't know what's what.
You could do like John Sinnott. John Sinnott puts everything
So
together and
many
ends up with a
cars.
bag of stuff. Just, the thing is together, but there's a bag of stuff spare. Our John always did that.
Now, where's the bottom?
That only goes across here.
Oh, is there anything to go across that?
No,
Hmm?
only your veggie baskets, from what I can see. Just hold that with you.
Turn it the other way.
It's a bit big.
Did you go around it? Did
It's
it?
too big. Do you want to sit down there?
No.
Where's the book? I need the book again. That's not the book. No, it's here. Bum bum. Bum bum bum.
I don't want to bed this private.
Let's say now, you're falling asleep. This might be finished before you go to bed, the way we're going though. I think that's too big.
No. That doesn't go
That's too
that
big, Ollie.
That doesn't go that way.
No, it's too big. He's not listening.
And the line should be at the bottom.
She is right. We don't seem to have enough ridges on this side.
Just to go up there.
Yeah.
There you are.
Woo!
Not the
Woo!
outside.
Ooh, I can put it on my head.
Oh, try not to put them down.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Can I put the
What? Is
Wait
there,
now, no,
is there
you
any-
can't.
There's something to go across the bottom. There it is.
What? What's that?
Mm-hmm. Wait. be the other way.
I see it is. Too late. Now.
I'm going to put these in.
Not just yet, hang on. So that turns around that way.
Nice down.
Now hang them on that way. Hang them on there then. Now. We want the blue lad now. And he goes in here. Oh, just a second. That doesn't click, does it? Wait now.
The bomb on another one, Helen.
Yeah, she has to.
The other way.
Yeah. I put the cinnamon in.
Not yet, Teresa, no, because you'll end up spilling things. You see where like something like this happens? You can do your veggies now 1 minute. Now.
Can't we're finished turning it up. That's for there.
Where? That's the till.
Yeah.
You want me to do it for you?
No, that's it. Now,
That's it.
this is.
What are them blue keys for?
That's the microphone.
Till four's now closing.
High five!
Till four's now opening.
Yeah, that's what they do in the Scotty Army.
No,
No.
you must have something.
There's the electronic lad here now. Ooh, what the?
Or the scanner you have. Be
What?
careful.
Are you laying on a knife?
Now, this has to, we take this back out. I'm wrong. Now,
Just slip into the.
now this is the screw, there's screws in this.
Yeah,
Have a look at that, will you?
They were showing that blue piece.
But this electrical thing goes in here, I think.
No, is that going?
Huh?
Is that?
Yep.
Is it on?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
Yeah, but is it working?
Yes. We have power.
That's okay.
We have power.
Show me.
Now, these 4 little screws, have you got them? This goes on this way, the other way.
So don't fall out.
And get them down and then.
Now, 4 little screws. We need 4 little screws. That's for little spin.
You get them.
No, I
They're in
didn't.
the plastic bag there.
Kind of plastic bag.
A wee plastic bag.
A wee plastic bag. A wee plastic bag. He's from the wall. Oh, look, I'm not going to put him down.
What are the tapes that you
A wee. I don't see a bunny wee plastic bag anywhere.
That's there.
Where?
It is there. I took it out. Did you
Come on,
get it?
Teresa, get up here.
I want to stand behind my shop.
Yes, well, it's not ready yet.
I want something to tell you. Till number 4 is now opening.
Did you find him?
Yeah.
Till number 5 is now opening.
Meow. Whoop. Brum. Beep beep.
I'm scared.
Storm Horace is on his way. I'm looking at you.
Does it not go here?
Lidl.
Lidl.
Every little helps.
That's Tesco.
Why do you keep Tesco? I love Tesco. I'm thirsty.
No, man, I guess you want wrinkles in.
Please, can I try?
Oh, I love it.
Every little helps. Every little helps.
Well, I must say, this is actually quite good for
What's in that, Darren?
nothing.
Something
Rubbish.
bad then.
No, a little plastic glad, that's all, it's gone. This is actually really good for mammies that aren't good at putting things together. I'd recommend it.
I want to look for these
Because he's an engineer and took me to put it together. Show me now. You want to do them right. You want to do them right now, don't you?
No, I'm helping you.
Okay.
I want to show you where the stickers go.
Now.
Yeah, she show him, get it to Mammy and she put
Now,
them on.
where's my yellow
Darren,
box?
have you all the pieces?
No, sit down now. We're not ready yet.
What's...
Why is he playing the drums then?
I would recommend this for anyone that's not good at putting stuff together. Because I'm really not.
Gold fingers.
No, I'm saying I found it quite easy.
Yeah. And guys, just so you know, I did not get this in the shop. Santa brought this to me. I
Santa.
know I'm really late to get it.
Doesn't matter.
And who cares?
Yes.
It's in a video.
Yay! Santa brought it at Christmas.
Mhm.
Our mama was.
Mm.
Mama thought she couldn't do it, so.
Mama was lazy.
I thought I wouldn't be able to.
Yeah. She had the capable hands with her. So
I had, but I didn't
So
know.
she couldn't go around.
Where is?
First was... What are you looking for, Tam?
I don't know.
I'm going to have to put this on.
Oh no.
Easy now, we'll put them on. Make sure just straight... Hold on. Hold on.
No, I'm okay.
Wait.
No, what?
No. Go with the lines.
Ali.
Yes? Beep.
What kind of
Hello.
poopings do you go
I
through
think
now?
there's two on it, isn't there? Are there?
Almost can you know?
Yeah.
I'll blow up if it's gonna be.
Okay.
Okay.
That's them.
Where's the?
And that's your fruit and stuff now.
No, you get the stickers
No.
on there first. Up. Here, grey
Yeah.
lad. Here, look.
See there?
This grey lad here.
The which?
One there.
Put this down for a minute. Put it down. That lad.
What?
That lad.
Where's... Oh, that goes into that.
That's handy enough to box in.
It's not. You don't get it right.
That's
Huh?
the scan area.
Get it right now. Take it easy.
I just want to make sure
Now
something.
you're left.
More paper.
This is my barcode.
And that's.
Dude. Lily's barcode. None of these have barcode, I can still scan them. Marks on anybody.
No.
Making your stickers. You're not done.
Hmm? Yeah, where do they go?
Just take your time with it.
Where do they?
What?
Oh yeah, that goes on this now. Show me this all.
They go there.
Are they all in the one piece?
Yeah.
No. I'll hold it and use your two hands or else give it to me. Start at the top.
Hmm.
And work out easy.
That's okay. That's actually perfect. That one was right because it was in.
The feather in it. Okay.
And that goes in there. Now what's there?
That's You see?
Now there's yellow lads here.
Huh?
And don't forget there's more green stuff here.
A yellow flat lad. Is a yellow flat lad?
Sorry, darling. I'm doing that bag.
No, don't slow down.
Oh, sorry.
That's this one now.
Huh? Does that fold up, Chris?
Huh?
Does that fold together?
Well,
No, it doesn't here. This clips down, Chris. Into...
do what this?
Hmm?
What's this one?
No, there's something there with two...
It's not that one.
What?
It must be a key.
No.
Does that form that, Chris?
What?
Is that a switch?
What does it do though? No, that's not it.
I'm
You're looking for a yellow switch of a lad. For there.
It's not green.
I know, darling.
Maybe that is.
There's something.
That's the clock.
Oh, is that it? It's really green, yes. Yeah.
Can you take this under there on? No, you won't be able to. Oh, I don't want to break them. No, you won't, Pet. Oh, woman! Who says you won't? Mom.
Wait, don't forget to stick your sticker. Don't forget your sticker. Stickers here. No, not there.
This is telling me, but I don't know. What do you
Sorry?
think? I can't even see that in the instructions.
Why is that? Chris.
Them two.
Yeah, there they are. You
We're
see?
back now again. Just stand back there.
Sorry.
Now. Okay.
See them there, Chris?
Where?
See the hands?
Yeah, that's there.
They're
She.
the hands.
Yeah.
Oh, they are.
I know, but how do you put it in there?
Where's the clock?
Up there.
Where's the face of the clock?
That's a sticker, sure.
Yeah. Put the sticker on.
Over there, look.
Bye.
I'm like I'm not even in this video.
What?
I'm like I'm not even in this video.
Oh, sure, why aren't you
I'm
talking?
so quiet. I'm just waiting.
Well, Mammy's not usually in the video. There you
We're
go.
all in it.
I'm just spying on each other. There you go on your... Mammy, they go on your little bits.
What bits?
There.
Carefully.
Do we have a blue piece there?
Yeah, I handed it to you earlier.
No, you hand me two yellows.
I handed you a pointy blue lad.
Yeah, where's that for?
That's what I handed you.
I think it's nothing. So I don't.
Is this something? That looks like something.
Yeah,
There's the blue bit over there.
there.
There's that blue bit.
That and that.
Yeah.
No,
It is, but that I don't know. Unless you go up.
yeah, up there. Show me.
Turn it upside down for a minute.
Hold on.
Pick up there, scanny lad now.
Cash treasure.
That's it.
And it spins.
That's her. Yeah.
I might have to do now.
No.
Let me just turn it. And that one,
Is it time to put this furniture in?
the furniture. I'll turn it around to there.
Yeah, well, what keeps this
Mom, if I go to bed,
on?
I'll play with it with you.
Couple of minutes. Because it's really late. Is that news?
No. No, but you see, the hands, or the big hands should be.
Is the blue lad holding it in place? You're definitely sure it's not that blue lad?
It's not.
Mama's drinking. No?
No, because this clips into this, you see. Oh, wait now.
Yeah, but you need something to hold at the back, do you? Maybe it doesn't come back out.
Wait now, look.
That's little blue lad, but I don't seem to see it anyway. Maybe not blue even, but
That's your. There's that.
that's it.
That's that.
Here's your clock mouse. And then you move your hands. Miss Kyo will be delighted. School work in play.
Is that everything?
Stickers.
Huh?
Stickers.
I want to put the coins in.
Okay. Open up your tail.
Mine too.
Your money.
Oh.
Where's the take out?
Hold it there. Here's your coins.
Yeah.
I'll have a look now, man. Right, close up your tail. Right, come out here then for a minute. I want you to sit down on the table and talk to people for 2 minutes, and then you can play. So,
Go to the side.
do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Did Santa Claus do well?
Guys, I'm just going to tell them something. Thank you, Santa. You're the best.
And what about the hardship that the people have putting it together? Thank you.
Thank you, Mammy. Thank you for something.
Daddy.
You be so silly sometimes. Bye.
Tell him I'll see him all really soon for the next video.
I'll see you very soon for the next video. Don't forget that guessing game. Bye.
Bye!
Bye.